Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a vlog using LightMV. To begin, visit its official website, then choose which template do you want to use on your video and click the select button. Next, upload your photo at the upper right corner of the interface. Then, drag and drop the photos on the box depending on your choice. Once done, click the produce button to create the video, then wait for it to be processed. After that, click the download button to save your video on your computer. And that's how you create a vlog using LightMV. Thank you for watching.